Hi students, this is your today's class, chapter 11 section formula. It's a continuity of the previous video. Okay, listen the fifth sum. Fifth second subdivision. A point P divides the line segment joining the points AB such that AP divided by PP. It's in the based on the ratio equal to K divided by 1. If P lies on the line x plus y equal to 0, then find the value of K. Listen, here up to this is same as usual the previous sums. But after finding this, we need to find the K value. For finding K value, they given one condition x plus y is equal to 0. So listen, what's the 2 points A, B are? A 3, minus 5. Take it, that is x1, y1. B minus 4, 8, that is x2, y2. Ratio K is to 1. So we have 2 points on one ratio. So we need to use the section formula. So m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Next m1 value k x2 value minus 4 plus m2 value 1 x1 value 3 divided by what k plus 1, m1 value k y2 value 8 plus m2 value 1 y1 value minus 5 divided by k plus 1 Next to minus 4k plus 3 divided by k plus 1, 8k minus 5 divided by k plus 1. After that, what is the given condition? P lies on the line x plus y equal to 0. So listen, P lies on the line x plus y equal to 0. Here which is x plus y? Listen, here we finding the value, no? This point is x, this point is the y. Now apply here. So minus 4k plus 3 divided by k plus 1 plus 8k minus 5 divided by k plus 1 equal to 0. Add now, minus 4k plus 8k, 4k minus 3 minus 5 minus 2 equal to 0 into k plus 1 divided by k plus 1. Take this side, 0 with that term, 0. So k is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, next question. The line segment joining 2 points is a diameter of a circle. So these 2 points are the diameter of the circle whose center is C. So find the coordinates of the point C. So listen this is the circle. Here A and B are the diameter on the circle. Here this part is the midpoint of that. So listen, here AB is a diameter, C is a center or midpoint. So what is the point? A point minus 3, 1, B point 5, minus 4. Listen, here we have only 2 points. We don't have the ratio. We need to find the C. Listen, this C is the midpoint of AB. So what formula we are going to use here? We need to use the midpoint formula. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Here this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So minus 3 plus 5 by 2. Here 1 minus 4 by 2. Next 2 by 2. Here minus 3 by 2. Next 1, minus 3 by 2. So listen, find the coordinates of the points here. So therefore, the coordinates of the point C is 1, minus 3 by 2. Okay, listen. Here, in the same model of the previous sum, the midpoint of the line segment joining the points is this. That means this is A point, this is B point, this is the C point. So using this, we need to find the M and N. Same as usual previous. This is the point. This is A, this is B, this is C. Listen, A point 3m, 6. B point. So this is these 2 point is that is C point. So listen, what is A point? 3m, 6. What is B point? Minus 4, 3n. What is C point? 1, 2m minus 1. So listen, the midpoint joining the point, that means midpoint of AB is equal to point C. Okay, what is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 are equal to, what is the point C? 1 comma 2m minus 1 now. Now apply here. What is this? Is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. What is x1? 3m. What is x2? Minus 4 divided by 2. What is y1? 6. What is y2? 3m divided by 2 equal to 1 comma 2m minus 1. Next, listen ma, after this we can't simplify this. So listen, this here we have 2 points are, here we have 2 points are. So this value equate with this point is equate with this. So listen, 3m minus 4 by 2 equal to 1 now. So 3m minus 4 equal to 2. Next, 3m equal to 2 plus 4. 3m equal to 6. Appa m is equal to 2. Next, apply the next point. 6 plus 3n divided by 2 equal to 2m minus 1. Next, 6 plus 3n equal to 2 into 2m minus 1. Next, 2 2s are 4m minus 2. In here 6 plus 3n now. After that, here we need to find m. Already we have m value. Know what is m? M is equal to 2. Apply here. 4 into 2 minus 2. So 4 2s are 8 minus 2, 6. Here 6 plus 3n now. Appa 3n equal to 6 minus 6. 3n equal to 6 minus 6, 0. So n equal to 0 by 3. So n equal to 0. So therefore, the value of m and n is 2, 0. Okay, next question. AB is the diameter of a circle with center C. If point A is 3, minus 7, find the length of the radius AC, the coordinates of B. Now listen, as usual, listen. Here AB is the diameter, C is the center of the point. In this sum, we have A value and C value, we don't have B value. So we need to find the B coordinates. Next, what is the first one? A point 3, minus 7. B point we may not know, so we consider as x, y. Next, C point minus 2, 5. Okay, apply the, first one, they ask to find length of the radius AC. So listen, length of radius AC. So finding the length, what is the formula? This formula already we saw in the 9th standard. That means distance formula. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Square root of what is x2? Here length of AC. So A is x1 y1, C is x2 y2. So what is x2? Minus 2. What is x1? Minus 3 the whole square plus what is y2? 5. y1 plus 7 the whole square. Square root of minus 5 square plus 14 square. So square root of 169. So 13 is the distance. So, therefore, the length is 13 centimeter. Second category. Now we need to find the coordinates of B. So coordinates of B now same the previous category. Midpoints of AB is equal to CR. What is AB? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 equal to, what is C value? Minus 2, 5. What is x1? This is x1 3. x2, so 3 plus x by 2, minus 7 plus y by 2 equal to minus 2, 5. Next, 3 plus x by 2 equal to minus 2. So 3 plus x equal to minus 4. X equal to minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. Here minus 7 plus y by 2 equal to 5. So minus 7 plus y equal to 10. Y equal to 10 plus 7, 17. So therefore the coordinates of B is minus 7, 17. Okay children, I hope you all understand up to this sum. It's a very easiest chapter only. We are applying only 3 formula. So go through this before copying your class copy. Just you look it into the video first. First you understand the sum, after copying your class of students. Thank you.